Okay, let's give this first video a go and see what we think. So, I want to give you a set of hints so that hopefully you don't actually have to watch this whole video. That would be my goal for you. But if you do, I'd love to talk you through the whole thing. And again, maybe this would be a way you could pause me or anything like that if you're stuck, or just ask me questions. So the first one we're doing is trig 0.05. I see the first thing I see people sometimes get stuck on is this right here, angle ABC. Remember, when we have an angle, the middle letter is the vertex. So I actually on my picture already marked that as our vertex. Maybe that's it. Leave me. Otherwise, if not, the next thing I see people get stuck on is just remembering what cosine is. Remember, you don't have to memorize that. You can use that yellow slip that I just gave, and that will be on every test, or use that orange page. But I can remember cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, if you need another hint, let's actually label the sides together. So I have B here, this side, that means that has to be opposite. This side here, that must be adjacent, and that side there has to be the hypotenuse. All right, maybe that's enough, and you can answer it. If not, maybe the next hint is that we just need a ratio, and be sure that you give the simplest ratio, will be my hint. All right, let's confirm together. So that ratio here, if I'm going to do A over H, must be 8 over 10. So let's write that. 8 over 10. I know that feels like a weird answer, and it's actually not right, so stop right now if you're going to type that in. This is not simplest, and Khan Academy is really picky about simplest. So when I think about this fraction, two ways. One, I can just see this and see what's simplest. I can right now see that 2 goes into both of those really easily, so 8 divided by 2 is 4. Do the same thing top as the bottom. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4/5 looks like the simplest to me. If that's weird, remember we can use a calculator to cheat. 8 divided by 10, okay, that's the decimal, but I can go to math and hit enter for fraction, and I've got 4/5. So if that's a better method, yes, that would work as well. All right, hopefully that's enough hint. If not, please talk to your partner. Talk to me when I'm conferencing with you. If it's not what you understand, try trig 1. It's totally different, and I also have a hint video for that. Give it a go.